Hey guys, Sam from BallerBBQ here. This week I'm making a Sriracha Beef Jerky on my Pit Boss pellet grill. I'll leave a list of the ingredients in the description below, so check that out. But let's get into the video. So here I've got the Sriracha, and I'm going to add in 1/4 cup into the bowl. You can add up to 1/2 cup. 1/4 cup of fish sauce, 1/4 cup of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of cumin, and 3 teaspoons of garlic powder. Then we'll take a spoon and mix all those dry ingredients. Make sure it's mixed up really well, and we've got a marinade that's like a thick sauce. And once it's looking fairly smooth, we'll just put the bowl aside. Now for the beef, today I'm using beef schnitzel. This stuff's already cut nice and thin, and it's had a lot of the fat removed. Usually I use a topside or an eye of round. They're both really good cuts. So I'll just take the beef and cut it into long, thin strips. They're looking pretty good. Just make sure that they don't have any big chunks of fat on them. And I'll just continue cutting all of these up. So I found that some of these bits of beef were really quite long, so I've cut them in half. That way I'll get more individual pieces and it will be easier to store. So once all your beef is cut up, we'll just add that to our marinade. And just make sure that you mix it through the marinade and all those pieces are evenly covered. All in there, get in there with your hands and give it a good mix up. So once all the beef's covered in marinade, we'll put it in the fridge for a couple of hours. Now today I'm using my Pit Boss pellet grill. I like the pellet grills for jerky just because that fan's always driving air into it, so it's just like a big dehydrator. So I'll just put all the beef evenly over the grill, making sure that none of the pieces are overlapping and you don't completely block up the grill plate so that airflow has got nowhere to go. But you can already see that hickory smoke just rolling through there. It's going to be really good. And now I'll just close the lid and let it dry out and absorb all that smoke. And I've got the Pit Boss set at about 75 degrees, which is just perfect for jerky. So after about 5 or 6 hours, open up the grill and you should have amazing looking jerky. Now this jerky is nice and spicy, bit of extra flavour from that fish sauce and sesame oil, and that hickory smoke gives a real punch of flavour as well. Okay, so that's our Sriracha Beef Jerky. Tastes really good. That Sriracha gives it a nice spicy kick. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, and let me know what you thought in the comments below. And we'll see you again next time.